Look at your phone. Right now, someone is using your own kindness, your intelligence, and your need for connection to ruin you. What if I told you you've already been manipulated today, and the scariest part, you enjoy it? We were raised to believe the world is a safe place. Our parents told us trust people, but they didn't prepare us for the psychology of scams. Meet John. He is a PhD holder, an engineering, a smart person. Last month he lost everything, not because his password was 1234, but because he fell for a sophisticated social engineering trick that targeted his ego. Why? Because high intelligence often comes with a blind spot, the belief that we are too smart to be the sucker. But in the deep sea of digital fraud, you aren't the predator, you are the bite. Stop! Do you actually trust the person you're watching right now? Or are you just programmed to believe anyone with a professional mic? Trust isn't a virtue anymore. It's a pre-installed exploit in your brain. Nature is the original scammer. The cuttlefish changes color to lure its prey. In the world of business and finance, it's no different. Human vulnerability to fraud isn't a bug. It is a feature of our biology. We ask, why is trust so fragile now? Because we've realized that everything feels like a scam. Your credit score, your personalized ads, even the lie. They say the lie doesn't protect the fools. But why does the lie exist if it ignores the very essence of being human? Scammers aren't just criminals. They are masters of emotional manipulation tactics. They don't patch software. They patch the holes on your soul. Is being hyper-vigilant the answer? Or does constant suspicion turn us into machines, unable to flow with life? Here is a terrifying thought. Is the global economy just a giant legalized scam? And are we being conditioned to accept it just to stay in the game? Welcome to Behavioral Cybersecurity. In this series, you are the weakest link. We don't care about your firewall. We care about your inner firewall. The most dangerous attack vector is your need to be liked, your fear of authority, and your desire for a shortcut. This is psychological manipulation at a scale never seen before. We are fixing the human behind the screen because the screen was never the problem. But let's look ahead. Enter the Neuralink loophole. When Elon Musk's dream becomes a reality, the ultimate frontier of the scam will be inside your skull. Imagine a hacker who doesn't steal your files, but hijacks your intentions. What happens to your identity when your thoughts are no longer private? If your brain becomes the attack vector, you won't even know you're being scammed. You will think the scam is your own original idea. This is the death of the self. We are living in a world where being fooled is a source of shame, but the real shame is a system that weaponizes our humanity against us. You are the weakest link, but you can also be the strongest patch. If you're ready to see the world for what it really is, not a safe haven, but a battlefield of influence, then you need to be part of this series. Subscribe. Don't let them hack your silence. And before you go, tell me in the comments what's the last thing you trusted and you still regret it today. I'll be reading.